Hello students, I warmly welcome to you in our today's video. Students, in previous video we learned about the concept of variable, constant, expression and what is meant by equation. Now in today's video we learn how to solve an equation, how to find the solution of an equation. Okay, so here the definition of solution of an equation. Now solution means what? Solution means the value of variable. The variable may be x, y, z, m, n, p, etc. The value of variable which satisfies the equation. Now one question is arise, sir, what is meant by satisfies the equation? Satisfies the equation means when we put the value of variable and if we get LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that equation is satisfied. Okay, so the value of variable which satisfies the equation, that means if we get LHS is equal to RHS, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side, then that value of variable is called as solution of an equation. Here is one example in front of you. The equation is y plus 4 is equal to 7. In this equation, if we put y is equal to 3 in LHS, then we get LHS is y means 3 plus 4 as it is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 7 is nothing but RHS. That means we get RHS when we put y is equal to 3 in LHS. That means in the equation. So here y is equal to 3 satisfy the equation. That means for y is equal to 3 we get LHS is equal to RHS. So now we can say that y is equal to 3 is the solution of given equation. So solution means what? The value of variable. The value of variable which satisfies the equation. Satisfies means if we get LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that this value is the solution of an equation. Now to find the solution of any equation, there are some important concepts, important keywords which are very useful to find the solution of an equation. The first concept is transpose the term. Now transpose, you know the meaning of transpose, okay? Transpose means changing the side. That means we shift the term from one side to the other side. Either it is from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So here transpose means changing the side of the term. If the term is positive on one side and if we transpose that term to the other side, then it becomes negative. If the term is negative on one side and if we transpose the term in the other side, then it becomes positive. If the term is multiplied on one side and if we transpose the term to the other side, then it becomes divide. And if the term is divide on one side and if we transpose the term to the other side, then it becomes multiply. So these are the reverse operation. Okay, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide and divide becomes multiply. Okay, this rule is very useful to solve the equation, that means to find the solution of an equation. So student, here we learn what is meant by solution of an equation and these are the some rules to find the solution of an equation. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide and divide becomes multiply. Okay, now we solve some examples. We find the solution of some equations. Okay. Okay. Now here we see some examples. Solve the following equations. That means we have to find the solution of this given equation, and to find the solution we use the previous rule. That means how we transpose the terms from one side to the another side. The first equation is x minus 1 is equal to 5. We have to find the solution of this equation. Now most of the students are confused. We have to find the solution means what we have to do? We have to find the value of x. Solution means what? We have to find the value of variable in that equation. Here variable is x. We have to find the value of x means we get the solution of the equation. Now here given equation is x minus 1 is equal to 5. To find the value of x, we have to shift this minus 1. Now here 1 is negative, 1 is minus on left hand side. If we shift this 1 to the right hand side, then it becomes positive. So here x remains in LHS and now is equal to 5 as it is, and this minus 1 becomes plus 1 on right hand side. I shift this 1 from LHS to the RHS. So here we get x is equal to 5 plus 1, that means 6. This is the solution of given equation. Now second part, B part. Equation is y plus 4 is equal to 7. Here we have to find the value of y. So here this 4 is plus on left hand side. To find the value of y, we shift this 4 to right hand side. And when we shift this 4 to the right hand side, it becomes minus. So y is equal to 7 minus 4. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. This is the solution of given equation. Third example is 8y is equal to 40. Here also we have to find the value of y. Now to find the value of y, we have to shift this 8 to other side. Now it is observed that 8 is multiplied to the y. So when we shift this 8 to other side, then it becomes divided. So here we can write y is equal to 40 divided by 8. So here y is equal to 8 5s are 40, so we get 5. So y is equal to 5 is the solution of given equation. And now last one, m upon 5 is equal to 4. Here variable is m, so we have to find the value of m. In this equation 5 is divided to the m, and if we want to find the value of m, we have to shift this 5 to the other side. So here it is observed that 5 is divided. So if we shift this 5 to the other side, it becomes multiply. So here we get m is equal to 4 multiplied by 5, and 4 5s are 20. So m is equal to 20. This is the solution of given equation. Students, observe here in the first equation, we shift here, we shift this minus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes plus. Minus 1, it becomes plus. Here in the second example, we shift this 4, plus 4 becomes minus 4. In the third example, 8 is multiplied, so it becomes here divided. And in the last example, 5 is divided and we shift this 5 to the other side, it becomes multiply. So we follow the rules of transpose. In this way, we can find the solution of any equation. So student, we learn more examples in our next videos. Thank you so much.